Assalamu alaikum everyone. So last video had become lengthy. Now maybe this video will be short because the last kind of congruency criteria left out is right angled hypotenuse side congruency. In short you'll say RHS. So we had seen side side side, side angle side, then angle side angle. Okay, now you are left out with right angle hypotenuse side congruency. That is, right angle you'll represent as R, H is hypotenuse, S is side. Okay, so in the last video we had seen what this triangle, right angle triangle, you can make it congruent triangle. Okay, you can make congruent triangle of this by two rules, right? So one angle, it is just known it is angle B is 90 degrees. Okay, after that you can make this triangle congruent. Okay, how? By just making first rule we had seen, this AB, okay, or BC side you can make AB, and this AB and BC side, you if you know, and this angle, what rule it becomes? Two sides SAS, right? Now next rule was, you have angle B 90 degree, this is known, and if the angle C is known, okay, so angle, and this should be side BC. So if these three measurements are known, other than 90 degrees is already known, angle C and angle B, if it is known, we could have found the congruent triangle, right, for this right angle triangle. So now third thing is, so you have these two rules we know, okay, by this SAS and ASA property, criteria, sorry, okay, criteria or rule you can say. Now the next type of rule what you can use to find the congruency of this triangle is one, you already know what is angle B, and if you know the hypotenuse of this triangle and the side BC, then you can find you can draw the another congruent triangle. Okay, so let's see one example for your right angle hypotenuse side congruency. All right, let me draw the picture and then continue. Okay, so the one problem I've took. Okay, these are the measurements given for two parts of triangle, two triangles. Okay, and two sides are given, one angle is given for triangle ABC, and also similarly for triangle PQR, one angle that is 90 degrees is given and two sides are given. Now let us see, using RHS congruency rule, whether these two triangles are congruent or no. Okay, so what is RHS rule? One is 90 degree, it should be same, and this hypotenuse, okay, length, it should be same, and the base. Okay, so let's first of all draw the two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So I have angle B as 90 degrees. So I will take this angle AB base, okay, because we have angle B 90 degrees. So I will draw my base as 3 centimeter. This is AB. Okay, now from this AB, from B I will draw 90 degrees angle, straight line, it will be 90 degrees. Okay, this is 90 degrees, and it is given AC. So from here, this is B point. Now from here I will draw 8 centimeter, and it will cut somewhere on this angle, something like this. So this will become 8 centimeter. Okay, suppose it is 8 centimeter. So you need to draw this by using the rounder. Okay, so from here you'll keep the pointed one, and with the pencil which you have fixed, and you will measure it for 8 centimeter on the scale and cut the angle. Okay, this is 8 centimeters. Suppose I have drawn my triangle ABC. Okay, now let's draw a triangle PQR. Alright, so PQRP is 90 degrees, and so I need to take base PR. So my base PR is how much? Again, it is 3 centimeter. Okay, and from P it is 90 degrees. I need to draw a angle, that is, it comes straight line like this. This is 90 degrees. So let me write PR. Okay, so P, angle P is 90 degrees. Now QR, it is yeah, this from RQ or QR, it is 8 centimeter. So from this point I will take an arc of measurement of how much? 8 centimeter. I'll get an arc somewhere here, and this will be 8 centimeter. Okay, suppose you need to say that it's 8 centimeter. So what is our RHS rule? We have one angle 90. Okay, so this here it is 90 angle B, and here it is angle P 90, angle P 90 degrees. Okay, and then it is, you need to have right angle. One R is what? A right angle. This is okay. What about hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is what? This opposite side. Okay, opposite of this 90 degrees, you call it as hypotenuse. So this is, here it is 8 centimeter, and in triangle PQR, where is the hypotenuse? This one, opposite to 90 degrees. So this is 8 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter. So hypotenuse is also equal. Now what about the side? So hypotenuse and one side should be same, right? So what is it? We have here both base as 3 centimeter. So now I can say this, according to the rule of RHS, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC, or vice versa. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, so this is how you prove. See, the proof for this, that is whenever you have hypotenuse and base of a right angle triangle same, okay, then though here the two sides and an angle, it's not what do you say, intended angle, though it is not there, we call them as congruent. So this proof, it is not there for you, it will be in your higher classes. All right, so anyway, these are the different congruency criteria for the triangles. All right, so I've told you this video will be short enough. This was the last criteria I need to explain. I was needed to explain you. All right, so I'll just explain this, take up one more problem and then stop. Okay, now I have explained why triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. Okay, so I'm going to draw my picture now. Just you need to observe this picture and tell me why they explain me why these two triangles are congruent. Okay, let me draw this picture. Sorry, so this shouldn't come so much back, so I would take from here. All right, so my triangle, it is ABC, this one, and this is right angle triangle. Even this is right angle triangle. So this is DEF. Okay, and this side is equal to this side. All right. Now tell me, explain me, why is this triangle congruent? Can you tell me? So since this is here also angle E is 90 degrees, okay, and this is also 90 degrees, and we can see that this side is equal, okay, and hypotenuse according to RHS rule, okay, right angle, then one side is equal, okay, and hypotenuse will also be equal. So according to RHS rule, these two triangles are congruent. All right. Okay, let's stop till here. I will continue the problems. Okay, it'll take within a week. We can complete this chapter, and also after we can go for test after that. All right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.